Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. This is a video series about Filestack API. In this video series, we are going to cover several features of image transformation by using Filestack API. So this is just a introduction video that will tell you that what you are going to learn from this video series. So I will be uploading multiple videos on every topic under image transformation. So first you will learn how to get the size of the image. So for example, if you already have uploaded an image, then you just have to give it the handle or code or ID of the image, and it will give you the width and height of the image. Next, we will talk about the resize feature. You can easily resize any picture with the help of Filestack API. After that, we have the crop feature that you will learn how to crop any image by providing the XY coordinates and dimensions. Then we have rotate feature. You will be able to rotate any picture by providing the amount of degrees that you want to rotate. And then you will learn about the flip, and next you will learn about the flop, and here you will learn how to add watermark on your picture. So you will be basically providing another image that would be added on the top of the image as the watermark. And here you will learn how to compress any image, and in this part you will learn how to convert an image to progressive JPEG. And in this part you will learn how to adjust the quality of the image. So that's all you will learn in this video series. So please keep watching from the playlist that I have provided in the description. So this would be the playlist. Right now there are no videos, but you will see the videos when you will find this introduction. So keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe to get notified for the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.